Today I'm going to show y'all how to prep and cook green, what is it? Papaya, green papaya. So the reason why I'm even doing this is because right now I'm on a 10-day vegan parasite cleanse. Well, parasite cleanse, you just gotta go vegan for the parasite cleanse. But first off, chop off the head. Chop off the head. I normally chop off the head and the bottom. The bottom is not necessary, but I normally do both. Chop out the head and the bottom. Then all you do, you get your peeler. If you got skills like that, you just peel with your knife, but I ain't got skills like that, so I could just peel yasso. Peel with my peeler and just peel off. Or if you have the skills, you can use a knife. I ain't got that skills though. Oh, I see one of my friends do this the other day. So this is how she peel, right? This is how she peel. Peel like this. Okay, well, not so bad like me, but that's what she do. Peel down. She said that's faster for her, but that take enough time for me. So that's another option if you can't peel that way. Or you can peel this way. Up to you. Like if you had that finger strength, oh my gosh, I think I cut myself. Frig that. Alright, but yeah. I peel so. A little bit. Well, that's why they had tools, you know. It's a good thing we're in modern times where they have something for everything. Because if it was up to me, well, you know, if I was there back then, I probably would have developed the skills, but I probably maybe would have lost maybe 2 fingers in the process. But this is the ideal way for me. You know, next step is to cut this thing down the middle and gut it. So remember, green papaya have seeds, right? So what we're gonna do? Cut this thing right down the middle. Make it stand up, put it to stand up. And just cut it right down the middle the long way. Cut it down the middle the long way. See all that? Bussin'. Ooh, this one was on his way to getting ripe. So now you just guts it. Just guts out all the seeds. So that's all I gotta do. Just scrape the walls, like when these girls go in and get a. Let me not say that. I don't know, y'all sensitive people, but you know what I mean. Some of you get what I'm saying. Just get the seed out of there. So you scrape the walls until it's clean. Fine. Well, we're gonna boil it. We're gonna boil it, right? We're gonna boil it, so you can just cut it up into cubes or whatever you want it. So yes. Alright, so everything done cut up, and just in case you want to see how I cut an onion, just in case. Alright, so what I always do, that first layer of skin, right, I just cut right in between there. Instead of struggling to peel off the outside, just stick my finger right in there, right onto this, and just pluck that first layer off. That's all. Just pluck out that first layer, comes right off with the skin. It's alright, there's plenty more layers to go. One layer not gonna kill you. Just pluck out that first layer. Alright, now the thing that makes you cry with onions is this bulb on the inside, right? Let me show you. So this, I don't know if you can see this. See that little piece right here? if you just stick your knife right here and pluck this bulb out whole, don't cut it, cut it last. Pluck this bulb out whole on both sides. So you pluck this out, see this bulb? If you don't cut this, you won't cry. When you cut this, you're gonna cry. So just save the tears for last. So you just do that on both sides. Ooh, this is the one. This is the one with the tears. God dang. Oh my gosh. Alright. Now you take all the green papaya, throw it in the colander, wash them off. Run some cold water over them. Put them in some boiling water. Add some salt. Add some salt in the water. Add some salt in the water. Don't burn yourself now. Shit's hot. If you got a better way, let me know. Cause this ain't it. This is just like how you boil potatoes, where you boil them. Just like how you boil potatoes, where you boil them until they get soft. You boil that until they get soft. It's broadside the garlic. Just slap it one time. Slap it, and these things come right off. So as long as you put some pressure on your garlic, pound it, those things come right off, trust me. So here, see how you look? All you gotta do is put some pressure on there. Put it here, put the knife on the big side, and slap down on it. From you slap down on it, it's easy to peel the garlic. Just stick your finger right under there. Now the best oil to cook with, avocado oil. And just try and look at oil. Let it heat up. And then add your vegetables. Your garlic and your onion. Add in those two. And just saute them till the onions are translucent. I only season them with black pepper, tumeric, and salt. So yeah, you want to test it and see if it's soft. Stab it, yes, it's soft. Soft like when you do potato. You know that kind of soft? Yeah, that kind of soft. Then pour out the water. Just the water, not everything else. So, yeah. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, now you take a masher. What it's called? Whatever the heck it's called, a masher. And you mash them up. Just like how you do mashed potato. Everything right back. So everything together, you just mix it up. Black pepper, like a salt. And just make it simmer for a couple minutes. Alright, I'm hungry. Buon appetite.